Up at the Liverpool Cathedral today. I think this is our fourth visit this week, to be honest. We're just back again today for bell ringing and the evensong. Obviously this isn't going to sound anywhere near as good over the phone as it does in person. What a beautiful, grand building. Definitely one of the best landmarks we have here in Liverpool, and certainly a favourite of my own. We were up the tower the other day, did a tower tour. Had some lovely pictures from that. Did want to do a video, but it was extremely wet and windy, so I don't know how well that will have been. But we'll just take a moment and listen. What a lovely sound that is.